5 digits minus 1 digit, you got 4. This is second rod, third 4. You have to place your dividend from this rod. 8 6 8 4 and 2. Start to divide. 8 divided by 2, your answer is 4. This is pointed rod. Please place your answer 2 rod left side. Here 2 4 8, you have to remove that 8 from your dividend. Change your pointer finger. 6 divided by 2, your answer is 3. Place your answer 2 rows left side. 2 3s are 6. Remove that. Next 8 divided by 2, answer is 4. Place your answer 2 rows left side. Here 2 4s are 8. Remove that dividend. Next 4 divided by 2, your answer is 2. Place your answer 2 rows left side. 2 2s are 4. Remove that dividend. And 1 divided by 1, your answer is 1. 2 rows left side, your answer, and 2 1 is 2. We finished our dividend and we have our answer. This is marked dot. You have to read your answer till the marked dot. To learn in detail, please watch full episode on YouTube. Ta-ta.